Hello guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on my video. Today on this video guys, I'll be sharing with you guys on how you can make more money on YouTube. YouTube recently have bring out another system whereby the content creators can make good sum of money while uploading content on their platform. So making money on YouTube now seems to be more legit and very much more better. How do you do this? If you go to your earnings, you see that there is another opportunity of making good sum of money from your earnings. This is what we call the shopping. Now from this shopping, this works like affiliate marketing. All you need to do is when you are done making your video, if you go to your content, all you need to do is select the content that the video you have made, then go to your edit. When you go to your edit, then you go to tag products, okay? But then make sure before you can be able to do this, make sure you accept to be part of this shopping platform so that you can be able to access these their products and you can be able to sell these their products. So guys, when you are done selecting the tag products, all you need to do, you can search for anything you want. If it's shoes, you can search for shoes, okay? This is shoes, you can search for it. Then you click on, you select them, you select the ones that you think you like, you want to advertise for these sellers, okay? So these are the shoes that they have here. If you check this way, they said the name of the shoe, this shoe is sold at the price of 69.99 and your commission is 10%. And here this one is sold at 111 cents and your commission is 10%. So guys, when people watch your videos and they are able to see any of this product and buy one of it, you are having a commission of 10, 12 or 15%. Through this way you can be able to make more money on YouTube. So when you are done selecting these items, you cannot click on done. Once you are done selecting them and you click on done, you cannot click on save. So automatically when people are watching your videos, they can see these items under your video description, and when they see it, they can from there patronize you. They can from there buy this product, and any product that you're able to sell from watching your videos, from your audience watching your videos, you're having your own commission. So making money on YouTube now does not only rely on AdSense. You can also make money on YouTube through affiliate marketing, that is trying to advertise these people's product on your channel, and when you sell, you make your own profit. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos I'll be making on YouTube and stay tuned.